Yes, Madhuri.
Yes, yes. Okay. So Linux regular timing is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. regular class timing for Linux. Okay, and this is also Monday to Friday as we discussed in the morning. Saturday, Sunday, no class. But as I told you, there will be a group, Telegram group. So if you have any doubts, you are doing practicals. If you have any doubts, you can message me on the Telegram groups. So daily, whatever concept I'm explaining, theoretically or practically, the concept notes I will share. See, whatever I'm explaining, I'll make a note like this. I'll share these notes. I'll share these notes to Telegram group, and you will get the recording videos also. Recording videos, they will give 6 months validity. But the notes means that is permanent. Anyhow, I will share to your Telegram group, and the Telegram group also permanent group only. And the concepts what we are going to discuss in Linux is first day, means today only demo like introduction, and in tomorrow's session I'll explain about introduction to Linux. Then we'll discuss about features of Linux. Why we are switching to Linux. The features I'll explain. After that, I'll explain about file system hierarchy. What are the default directories we will get in Linux operating system? That I will explain. Each directory I will explain. After that, OS installation. How to install the operating system I will show. Then basic commands. How to log in into computer. After login, where we execute commands, how to execute commands, and zoom in, zoom out, how to check calendar, how to check date, time. These are basic commands I will show. Basic commands actually, many are there in basic commands. Not only this, creating files, creating directories, means folders, copy, cut, rename, move. This all comes under basics only. Okay. In basic commands, we'll discuss about cat, touch, mkdir commands, ls commands, mv commands, rm commands. So this all comes under basics only. VA editor will discuss. After this, I'll explain about. By this, we'll complete our basic commands. So then I'll come with filter commands. Filter commands are used to check content of a file as per user requirement. We can say filter commands are basic shell commands like grep, tail, head, sed, different commands. Okay, after this, user administration. What is user? How to create user? How many types of users are there? How to modify? That I'll explain. Then group administration, I will explain. I will discuss about the group administration. What is group? How to add users into group? What is the advantage of adding? How to modify? How to delete? Everything I'll explain. And after that, file permissions. What is the default file permission? How to modify the permission? Who can modify the permission? That I will explain. Okay. Then ACLs. Advanced file permission. It is used to change the ownership of files and directories, and also it is used to assign permission to a particular user or a particular group of people. Particular group of people. After that, partitions. How to create partitions after entering to the operating system, I will show. And next one is about swap partition. Swap is a virtual memory. How to create swap memory? What is swap? In starting itself, I'll explain. In features of Linux only once I'll explain. Again, in further classes also we have the concept swap. It is a virtual memory which is used to increase the performance of physical memory. It's nothing but RAM. Okay. So that how to create after entering to the operating system, that I will show. And after that, LVMs, logical volumes. Mostly in organizations we use LVMs only for creating the partitions. This is also one of the method to create partition. I'll explain about this. And how to create partitions using RAID, that also I'll explain. RAID is used for backup purpose. So that also we'll discuss. And after that, network introduction. Like what is IP address, how to assign IP address in Linux operating system, what is hostname, how to change the hostname, this all we'll see. And after that, backup and restore. How to take the data backup from one PC to another PC, how to restore the data, that I will explain. Okay, and after that, package management. RPM and M are the package managers which are used for installing, uninstalling, updating and checking the packages. Packages is nothing but softwares. So what is the difference between these two? First I will explain. After that, I will show how to configure M. And next, sharing data with NFS, Samba, FTP, I'll explain. And then DHCP, Apache, how to deploy the web pages using Apache, DHCP, how to assign IP addresses automatically, and NIS, DNS, we'll discuss. We also have some more topic like run levels, link files, okay, breaking roots, password. We have many concepts in middle. So these are the main concepts we are going to cover in Linux administration course. So daily 1 hour class. So while explaining theory, I'll show practically also. So this is about the content, Rao, Mr. Rao. Actually, you want this content, right?
Yes.
Yes. So this is the content. And tomorrow at 9 p.m. I'll start the session. If you are there also, I will explain the concept. Introduction class, I will explain.
Okay.
I mean,
actually,
what is... yeah.
Actually, whatever content you showed me, that is up to ACLs I'm regularly using in our environment. From ACL onward, that is after ACL, that is partitions. From partition onwards, but I am in the environment, but I don't know because right now whatever you are giving NFS, DHCP, these things I am able to see in my system, but I don't know how LVMs are working. Something I don't know. And if any keyword is required, if any function is required, then we raise a ticket to the Linux team. Linux team will install by using the YAML.
They will do, yes.
They will do, and they will once it is activated, then they will inform to us. So we will utilize that concept. So these things, but whatever you told me earlier, whatever about the file permissions like user and something move command, these things regularly we are using. But I actually earlier today morning I explained to you that is. I don't know much knowledge on shell scripting because I never use any scripting. Whatever script developed by the earlier who work in my company now, those scripts only we are utilizing and
generally,
we are running, but
generally you will run that scripts only. We don't create new. We don't generate new scripts. We run just old scripts only. Actually, in most of the companies.
Okay. And also my intention is I want to learn, I want to develop my scripts, I want to automate some basic small things at least because nowadays every management is asking us automation. So that is my intention. But okay, I can able to learn through YouTube, but I'm unable to concentrate on that.
No, YouTube problem is we cannot concentrate actually. We think that we can learn, but will disturb. And Actually, if you know Linux 100%, I mean, you know Linux means then you can go with auto script or shell scripting. I will guide you. After complete now
Yes.
Linux, again, if you want to go with shell scripting, you can plan for that, or automation. You can join for the automation course. But if Linux is completed, means you'll get complete idea about this Linux operating system handling everything. So easily you can learn for advanced topics.
Then, madam, I'm frankly speaking with you. That is, currently I am working as an admin. So you know about admin. What are the
Yes.
privileges
I
I
know.
have? Like
Yeah.
I can daily interacting with the Linux teams, and I have some privileged root passwords also. Some dev environments and some testing environments, still testing environments. I have the root passwords as well, so I can able to do anything with Linux missions if I know something knowledge and administration Linux side, and also like database also, Oracle database also. I am daily utilizing the Oracle databases. I am connecting to the databases, but I don't know the SQL queries. That's why only I am
Not
always
required
dependent upon the
actually.
developers. And
Okay.
also I am utilizing the ETL ODI, but I don't know, but I am just deploying the objects, whatever the developers are given to us, those things we are deploying.
Yes.
From
You're
past,
deploying. Okay.
from past few years onwards, I am managing the whatever the, because might be IT environment how it is. So some people are without very good knowledge also we can able to manage.
Yes.
Like that I am able
See,
to manage.
if you know
But
basic Linux means, you can learn remaining everything. You can learn shell, you can learn auto scripting, automation you can learn. If you have basic knowledge in Linux means definitely 100% you can learn other courses also, even AWS also. You
thank
can
you, thank you,
complete.
thank you, thank you.
Even with your knowledge, further means advanced courses, if you want to go, definitely you can go.
Yes, madam. That means
So
advanced
if
courses,
you
madam. Can you suggest?
advanced courses like AWS, this all, but AWS if you want to go means this knowledge is required. Linux, the server
I am
knowledge should be
planning
there.
to, yes, madam. I am planning to learn Azure, madam, because in my environment, but I am not taking care, but other team members are taking care Azure administration because
Actually,
they
if
are
you
building
want
the
to learn Azure, means you should have good knowledge in very good knowledge in Windows Server.
Yes, okay.
Then only you can go with Azure. So AWS means if you have very good knowledge in Linux administration, you can go with AWS cloud computing. Azure also
Got
cloud
it.
computing. Azure also cloud computing and
AWS
AWS
also cloud
also cloud
computing.
computing. Yes.
Now these two environments.
Azure is based on Windows. AWS is based on Linux.
Okay, got your point. Got your point.
Yeah.
And but unfortunately, my company is always preferring to the, because we are partner with Oracle, madam. So our company is always preferring the Oracle cloud environments. But coming in market, there is no such courses are available in our market because it's not demandless.
Yeah.
Currently, that's why only I'm unable to find any cloud related Oracle things like OCJA. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, Oracle Integration Cloud. So such type of courses are I'm unable to find in our institutes. That is one thing. And also recently, earlier 2-3 years back, ODI is good, Oracle Data Integrator, but right now ODI also no one is teaching in our DURGASOFT itself. Earlier the courses are available, still in YouTube is available, but right now that is not demanded.
Yes. True. So what you're planning now? You're planning for Linux administration?
Yes, madam. I will plan. But
If you want to join 100% means do one thing. Tomorrow at 8 p.m. Batch is there. There are basic commands I'm explaining. If you pay means just join in the 8 p.m. batch, continue with the classes, and also 9 p.m. I will give in starting what are the initial some topics are there, 2 classes that I will continue in 9 p.m. So you can join in 8 p.m. itself.
Sorry, madam. I'm not understanding. What is 9 p.m., 8 p.m.? What is going on? Already some batches, one batch is going on.
No, already the batch is started 2 days back.
Okay, that is at what time?
8 p.m.
Okay, got it. I will continue with the 8. You are asking me like
in today
can I
and
continue
in that batch, I showed how to install the operating system. Now I'm explaining basic commands like ls commands, cat command, touch command, creating
And
directories.
also, can you
That is,
please let me know, madam, that is whatever the duration for this course?
this is
Till
1 month. Actually, this is 1 month course.
okay, 5 days for a week, now.
Okay. Yeah, Fridays per week. And if any, I mean, sometimes I will take one week like that extra. If concepts are still there, I will take 1 week extra, not more than that.
Okay. 1 month means
Depends.
30 days you are telling, or 1 month? That means around
No, 30 days. 30 days.
30 days. Okay.
30 days.
30
I'll take 30
working
days.
classes. Okay.
30 working days.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. So,
Madam, what about
join
the
for,
fee, madam?
yeah.
What about the
For
fee?
Linux administration, 5,000.
Is there any concession, madam? Discount or something?
That you can ask admin team.
Admin team member number I don't know. So to whom we
Yeah,
need
I
to
will
ask?
give it.
Okay.
I will get DurgaSoft number. Is there? Do you have any number from DurgaSoft? Do you have any DurgaSoft number?
Yes, madam, I have. But if you have this type here, I can able to note
I will
it.
share. Yeah, I'm sharing here. You're from?
I am from Delhi, madam.
Okay. No, I just want to add code. That is the reason I'm asking.
Okay. I am from Delhi.
Yeah.
92462. I think I have this number. Okay.
9246212143.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So if you are willing to join for the course, means better ask them to add you into the 8 p.m. But if you paid, then only they will add you into 8 p.m.
Okay. I will discuss and I will confirm, madam.
Yeah, sure. Yes. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. Thank
Can I
you.
leave,
We'll
ma'am?
meet tomorrow. Yeah, we'll meet tomorrow.